Hey everyone, Kevin Ducey, Whiteboard President, and I wanted to be very forthcoming with you guys and let you know that we're well aware of the changes that are happening in the industry, specifically with the 3.2 file moving to a 3.4 file. I know that's caused some stress and some irregularities in your life, and it's a challenge for us as well. But I wanted to make sure that you know that three things that are happening for us, right? Number one, Whiteboard's automated integrations with Calyx and Encompass are not changing. You will not be affected by this. Number two, you still have the option to do a export and a drag and drop of your 3.2 files into Whiteboard. And number three, we are going to continue to support the FNM file, the 3.2 FNM file for the foreseeable future. We are working on a 3.4 file update, and we will let you know once we have that. If you need any additional support or any additional information, you can always utilize our knowledge base, which is a support tab that's up at the top in your Whiteboard CRM. We're also here if you need any help. Do not hesitate to contact us with a phone call or an email. Whiteboard support at whiteboardcrm.com is always there to help you. Thanks again for being a loyal customer. If there's anything we can help you out in these trying times, we're here for you.